Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix FIFA 23 stuck at loading, crashing and not launching problem on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your FIFA 23 stuck at loading, then I will show you how to fix this issue. You need to click on Start menu, then type here Device Manager. Just click on Device Manager. Under Device Manager you will find Display Adapter. Just double click and expand that one. After that you will find your display drivers. Just right click on that and click on Update Driver. Guys, before clicking search automatically for the drivers, you have to make sure that you have connected to the internet. After connecting to the internet, just click on this search for automatically for drivers and close this window. After that, try the second method. Just right click on the Start menu, then click on Task Manager. After opening the Task Manager, in this you need to find your FIFA 23 game. Just right click on that and click on End Task. After closing the game from here, just close this window. Again you need to click on Start menu, then type here Control Panel. You can see here Control Panel, just click on that. In this, if it is selected as a large icon, just click and select as category. After that you can see here Network and Internet, just click on that. After that you can see here Network and Sharing Center, just click on that. In the left section you can see here Change Adapter Setting, just click on that. Guys, in this you will find on Wi-Fi and Ethernet. If you have connected the internet through the Ethernet, just right click and click on Properties. If you have connected internet through Wi-Fi, just right click on Wi-Fi and click on Properties. After that you can see here Internet Protocol version 4, just double click on that. You can see here use the following DNS server address. Just select this option, then type here 8.8.8.8. come to the alternate DNS server, then type here 8.8.4.4. then click on OK and click OK and close this window. Again you have to click on Start menu, then type here CMD, right click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow, then type here SFC space / scan now. And hit enter and close this window. Now you can try the last method. Click on Start menu, then type here Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. In this you can see System and Security. Just click on that and try the last option. Then again you have to click on Start menu, then type here Settings. Click on Settings. In the left section you can see here Privacy and Security. Just click on that. Come to the right section. In this you will find Windows Security. Click on Windows Security. In this you can see Virus and Threat Protection. Just click on that. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here Virus and Threat Protection. Just click on Manage Settings. In this you can see first option Real-Time Protection. You just need to disable this option. Click on Yes and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix FIFA 23 stuck at loading, crashing and not launching problem. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix FIFA 23 stuck at loading, crashing and not launching problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.